Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you the cooling fan and the condenser fan fuse location. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Both fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now to remove the cover you will have 4 black tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You want to press them and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuses you want to check are fuse number 19, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to cooling fan, and fuse number 20, which is also a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to condenser fan. And also here I will show you now this small one, this is the AC condenser fan, and this larger one, this is the radiator cooling fan. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.